Okay, I'm gonna try to make friends with resin today. So I painted with the pigments, the leaves for this lotus, all different colors. I've got all different brands. I really like this one, the Interference Violet. This one is Color Pour. There's no color on it. It's actually it's like a rose gold. This is Crystal Blue by Art Pro Pigments, and this is Bronze Purple by Art Pro Pigments. So this is a brand new mold. I haven't tried anything with resin in a while and just thought I'd play around today and see what I can make. Okay, it's time for me to mix up the resin. I've got Unicone Art Resin. I have never tried it before. Here's my molds. I'm gonna make a mess. Wish me luck. Okay, first time getting these out since yesterday. Cool. There's absolutely nothing left. No powder that I painted on here. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. That is very cool. Wow. Actually looks cool from both sides. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to do more of these. Oh, there's a little bit of powder left in this. See right there? This is definitely a more detailed mold though, so that's probably why. Let's see. That is very cool also. Oh, I love the glitter. This will make a really nice incense holder. Okay, this one I did not fill up all the way. I was gonna go back and put more resin in it and I didn't, and I'm too impatient, so I need to see what it looks like. Let's see if the powder stayed in this, because this has a more indented area that I filled up with the mica powder. Oh, no. That looks pretty good. There's a little bit of powder right there and that's it. That looks pretty good. Let's see. That is wicked cool. I love how resin will look like glass. Oh, I love that. That is very cool. Both of these came out great. I love how this one looks so much thicker because of the design that it is. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to do more of this one. So, I really like how all three of them came out. I'll have to do more for sure. Thanks for watching.